Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today, it's a 2011 GT with only 27,000 miles. We installed the Edelbrock. It's our 650E package, supercharged. We're gonna watch a dyno pull today. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify. And right now, let's go down and check out the engine compartment. All right, so what's in the 650E? I'm gonna tell you that. I have Corinne with me today. I will put a link in the description, so you can just click on it and read a lot more about it. But Corinne, come down here, take a look. It's the Edelbrock. It's a TVS 2300 intercooled. They call it the E-Force. So what do you get in our package? Well, you get the Edelbrock Supercharger intercooled. You get the competition cold air induction system. You're also going to get a 3.5 pulley. Going to get cold air spark plugs, a booster pump, 41-pound fuel injectors, and the proper calibration. So we do have this available for mail order. We can ship it right out to you, or you can come in for an install. And how do you get that install price? Like always, you email quote@brenspeed.com. Check out this dyno pull. All right, so it's a manual transmission, 93 octane. Corinne, come over here, take a look. 565 railwheel horsepower on our DynoJet SAE, 7,200 RPM. Torque comes in 457 at 4,500, and this is with the 3.5 pulley. So Corinne, let's take one more look at this. I like this 11 right here. You know, this supercharger fits the 11 to 14s, but I used to have one exact same color wheels, so it's really cool to tune that today. It's kind of like being back in my old Mustang, cloth interior, pretty awesome. So quote@brenspeed.com, that's how you find out what it costs to get installed. Check that detailed description. I'll have links to this kit. You can read more about it. We have less horsepower kits, we have more horsepower kits, and that's pretty much it for today. Leave that comment, we're happy to answer. Thanks for watching.